Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make fluid art on your iPad. After opening your Procreate app, let's select a canvas. I'd love to go with the square one. It's up to you, whichever you like you can select. Now you can adjust your canvas according to your convenience. Now let's select the brush. I'll select the Pandani brush available in Inking. It's a free brush available in Procreate app. Now let's select the background color. I would go with the green color. I have my palette ready. You can choose any color of your choice. Select any color of your choice. I would love to go with blue color and start drawing random lines on your canvas. Select one more color of your choice. This must be the darker one. Selecting one more color is optional, it's up to you, but I would like to go with a white color so that it adds some highlight to my drawing. Now go to adjustments and select liquify. Now select the push option and you can adjust the pressure and size accordingly. Now explore your twirl right and twirl left option and do whatever you want, like go randomly. You can do anything you want, whatever you like. Just enjoy the process and make sure that the thing you are doing looks good. Done with the process. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section which tutorial you want to see next. The ones who have tried this out can share their work on Instagram and tag me in their posts. The lucky ones will get a shout out in my next video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos of mine and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Till then, bye bye.